What's up, techies? Forget everything you thought you knew about AI, because this week the rulebook got torn up, thrown out, and set on fire. What if I told you a tiny underdog AI just went head-to-head with a monster model 40 times its size and won? What if I told you the biggest partnership in tech, Microsoft and OpenAI, is starting to look like a really messy breakup? And what if I told you that you can now hire an AI intern that will code for you for 3 hours straight without a coffee break? This isn't Future Talk. This all happened in the last 7 days. Buckle up, because this is the AI news you absolutely cannot afford to miss. Let's do this. Okay, let's start with the craziest story of the week. For years, the AI race has been simple. Bigger is better. More data, more power, bigger models. Then Microsoft Research came along this week and said, hold my beer. They unveiled a model called R-Star-2 Agent. It's a lightweight 14 billion parameter AI, but it just beat a 671 billion parameter behemoth from DeepSeek on super complex math problems. That's like a souped-up go-kart lapping a Formula One car. How is that even possible? It's because this AI doesn't just guess answers. It thinks. It uses tools, like a Python coder, runs the code, checks its own work, and if it makes a mistake, it actually learns and tries again. It's not about thinking longer. It's about thinking smarter. This is a total game changer. But at the exact same time, Google went in the complete opposite direction. They took their mega AI, Gemini 2.5, and entered it into a global programming competition against the world's smartest humans, and for the first time ever, an AI won a gold medal. It solved a problem that the human geniuses in the room couldn't crack. So you have these two paths exploding at once, the hyper-efficient little genius and the all-powerful grandmaster. The AI world isn't just one road anymore, it's splitting in two, and it is fascinating to watch. All right, grab your popcorn, because it's time for the corporate drama. The biggest power couple in AI, Microsoft and OpenAI, are having some serious relationship problems. In a move that shocked everyone, Microsoft is now telling their own developers to use a rival AI, Anthropic's Claude, for coding tasks inside tools like GitHub Copilot. Why? Because their own internal tests showed that Claude was just better at it. This is a huge deal. It's a public statement that Microsoft is hedging their bets. And can you blame them? OpenAI is starting to compete with them directly, planning an AI jobs platform to take on Microsoft's LinkedIn, and even signing a mind-blowing $300 billion cloud deal with Microsoft's rival, Oracle. So while the two biggest names are having their drama, who's winning? Amazon. They're playing it perfectly. They're turning their AWS Bedrock service into the ultimate AI supermarket. This week, they added powerful new models from Chinese giants Alibaba and DeepSeek. Their strategy is brilliant. They don't care if you buy Coke or Pepsi, as long as you're buying it from their store. They're the ultimate arms dealer in the AI wars, and business is booming. Okay, this next one is going to change how people work. We're moving from AI assistants that answer questions to AI agents that get stuff done. And the proof is in the money. The AI coding platform Replit just raised $250 million. Why? Because they just launched Agent 3. Forget AI that just suggests the next line of code. You can give Agent 3 a project and it will work on its own for up to 200 minutes. That's over 3 hours writing code, testing it, finding bugs, and fixing them. This isn't a tool anymore. It's a teammate. It's your new AI junior developer that never gets tired and never complains. This is the future of work, and it's happening right now. All right, time for a quickfire round of the coolest new AI toys that just dropped. First, China's tech giants are on fire. DeepSeek v3.1 is a new open source model that's an absolute beast at coding. It performs on par with the top models, but get this, it's over 60 times cheaper to run. Unbelievable value. Next, Google wants to put AI in your pocket. They just released Gemma 3N, a new family of models designed to run directly on your phone, no internet required. You can literally download the AI Gallery app from the Play Store and try it right now. And for all you musicians and creators, Stable AI just dropped Stable Audio 2.5. You can type a description like upbeat electronic funk track for a commercial, and it will generate a full 3-minute professional quality song in seconds. It can even finish a piece of music you already started, and it's all commercially safe to use. Finally, with all this chaos and power, the world's governments are stepping in. In a historic move, the United Nations has officially formed a global panel to create rules for AI. Think of it as a global watchdog. For the first time, every country, not just the tech superpowers, will have a seat at the table to decide how this technology is managed. The message is loud and clear. The days of AI companies doing whatever they want are coming to an end. So there you have it, a tiny AI that's changing the rules, a tech soap opera for the ages, and AI agents that are ready to join your team. The pace of AI is just staggering. But I want to hear from you. What was the biggest story this week? Are you team Tiny Genius AI, or are you ready to hire an AI coding agent? Drop a comment below and let me know what blew your mind. If you learned something new today, do me a solid and hit that like button, subscribe to AI Techie, and ring that notification bell so you're always ahead of the curve. Thanks for watching, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.